All right, welcome to another Tech Talk Tuesday. For today's topic, we've got my wife's 16 Charger Scat Pack in here, and we're gonna do something on this car that can save you, depending on where your dealer costs are at, about $75 on your service bill by doing something a little simple on your own. And that's replacing the cabin air filter. And this is something that's really simple, really straightforward, and you can do in about a couple of minutes, if that. So for starters, the cabin air filter on the Chargers are located underneath this panel right here. So just go ahead and pop that guy off. Put it away. And then there's a lid in here, you pop that back. And the old filter pops right out. As you can see, this one is extremely filthy. So we'll get rid of that one. And I decided to go with a Bosch filter. It's a HEPA filter. Ordered it from Rock Auto, as I order a lot of parts. And so they're really simple, super straightforward to go in. Get rid of the box. See, nice, clean, fresh filter. So it's listed up here at the top and it has the airflow direction in here. So that goes towards the rear of the car. Just slides right in. Put it in, put the lid back. And that's it, you're done. There are a lot of things I take this car specifically in for the dealer for service and maintenance, warranty work, things of that nature. But something as simple as this, just do it yourself at home. It's super easy, super straightforward. Doesn't take a lot of time, as you can see, and can save you upwards of like 75 bucks. So the filter itself, I ordered the heavy duty HEPA filter for Bosch from Rock Auto. It was like $15, and as you can see, easy peasy. So I hope you liked today's video, hope you found it useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button, give us a thumbs up. And if you want to be kept up to date on my future videos, go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below and ring the notification bell, so that way YouTube notifies you of all the other videos I do in the future. And if you want to see other tech videos and helpful hints, go ahead and go into my Tech Talk Tuesday playlist. It's going to be linked right here on the screen, and check out the other videos that I've got, and I will see you next video.